Chapter 20, Recycling. The Blue Box Recycling Program was implemented citywide in 1990 and now provides service to over 101,000 households. The program enables residents of single-family, duplex, and some smaller multi-family dwellings to recycle materials such as newsprint, paper, cardboard, as well as metal, glass, and plastic containers. Each residence is supplied with a blue box, a reusable yellow bag, and a reusable blue bag. Residents sort the recyclable materials into the appropriate bag or box, and on collection day, set them up for collection. City crews collect the sorted recyclables into 3 different compartments inside the collection vehicles and deliver the recyclables to a processing center. Good intentions and bad economics. The concept of entropy is defined by the second law of thermodynamics, which states that the entropy of a closed system always increases or remains constant. Thus, entropy is also a measure of the tendency of a process, such as a chemical reaction, to be entropically favored or to proceed in a particular direction. Marginal cost and marginal revenue. In economics and finance, marginal cost is the change in total cost that arises when the quantity produced changes by 1 unit. That is, it is the cost of producing 1 more unit of the good. Marginal revenue is the extra revenue that an additional unit of product will bring. It is the additional income from selling 1 more unit of a good, sometimes equal to price. It can also be described as the change in total revenue divided by the change in number of units sold. Limits of recycling. With everything evolving, people have limits. Therefore, so does recycling. A lot rests on the people's willpower to recycle and incentives that are employed to make recycling worthwhile. There are a couple of strategies that can be used. The first is the user pay program, which is a means of making the polluters pay the cost of recycling material. The next is through market forces and providing incentives for the producers to encourage recycling through taxation.
Not everything can be reused and recycled. Reduce your carbon footprint and start recycling everything in your life. You've heard of people recycling everything from printer paper to old jeans, but you can recycle nearly everything in your life. If it can't be reused, then it most likely can be recycled instead. Car batteries and tires, yes, those can be recycled. Can you recycle your old roof shinglings? Yes. How about your shower curtains? Yes. Find some creative ways to reduce the amount of stuff you throw away in your life and be a little greener.
Not in my backyard syndrome. Finding places to put landfills is not easy. Not many people want to live next to a landfill, an attitude sometimes called the NIMBY phenomenon. This means, not in my backyard. Many people believe that landfills and their operation will result in traffic, noise, dust, litter, unattractive neighborhoods, groundwater contamination, and hazardous waste pollution. While fears may have come true in the past, modern landfill design, construction, and management can prevent most of these problems. Unfortunately, the NIMBY phenomenon also applies when cities try to find locations for recycling centers and municipal composting facilities.